here to check for our house. Looking for an apartment. You got it? Okay. This is so beautiful. Guys, look at all of these details. Isn't this beautiful? Babe, I love it. And it's huge. This is the living area. The TV side. And of course the kitchen. This is so nice. Granite tops. Okay. I think this is a dining section. I love the fact that it's separated. This is so beautiful. I love it. Dining section. What is here? Let's find out what's here. Oh, it's a pantry, babe. Beautiful, cool appliances. Kitchen cupboard. Oh my goodness, this is so fresh. Definitely, we're taking this. This is the bathroom. What's there? I think this is the washer. Storage. This is the bathroom. Okay, let's go upstairs. Are you upstairs, babe? Okay, let's go upstairs. This is so clean and new. Okay. Bedroom number 1. This can act as an office. Yeah, this can be like my office right here. Number 2. The bedroom, they are so small. I don't have a bed to fit in there. This is the bathroom. Isn't this amazing? Very clean and fresh. What's here? Laundry. Storage. Okay. I don't know what this is. Okay, washer and dryer. I thought it would come with a unit. Yeah. My current bedroom is bigger than this, but you know, we've got this nice, beautiful view. And of course, the bathroom. I love the fact that it has 2 sinks, his and her sink. What do you guys all think? This is beautiful. This is exactly my style. See that the shower area is beautiful. And the toilet is separate. I love it. This is so nice. And this is the walk-in. It's huge. This is the master bedroom walk-in closet. I think we have the down. How many bathrooms here? 1, 2. Okay. This is really cool. Hobby's office and visitors room. Let's check downstairs and see what we got. Let's go back down. Let's go downstairs. Okay. We are downstairs. Is this the basement? Okay. Okay. This is beautiful. Okay. I think down here. Okay. Oh, garage. Got the garage down here. So this space down here can actually act like a second living room or something. Yeah, I think a second living room. Oh, it got no balcony. Okay, so this is the backyard. We got all of this backyard. Not too big, but at least doable. It's better. Yeah.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young.
I love the unit. I love how quiet it is. Scenery, and it's so clean. Yeah, so people, we finished looking at the house, the townhouse, and we decided to just stop by. This is a very beautiful small community. Yeah, so we just stopped there to, you know, have some lunch, eat something before we head out so we can fill our stomachs. And of course, sorry, I'm into short form content. I post on Instagram, TikTok, and I'm gonna be linking everything below. That is why you see the video vertically instead of horizontally. I always have this tendency of washing my hands with ice. It's so therapeutic to me. Do you do that too? If you do, please drop a comment in the comment section. Let us cheers. Somehow I just love it. Yeah, so we're done here and we're just heading out to the house or to the next location to take a look. Guys, look at this greenery. It's so beautiful. Look at all of those plants. I mean, it's so nice. I just love nature. I love nature so much. So we're just driving through to the next location, and I'll be showing you guys how the next location looked like. We got there, it wasn't vibing at all. Actually, it's a house, but I didn't like it at all. There is no spices, let me put it that way. It is beautiful though, but it's not just what I wanted. So we didn't spend much time there, and I didn't film a lot. So, and again, there's a lot of downside, and it's kind of like a standalone house, and the neighbors are kind of so far, and we didn't want that. At least I want something with people living like across me or something. Should in case anything happens to me, I have someone to run to. So this brings the end to this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until my next one, bye.